Refer to the user guide included with your kit for more detailed instructions and information. Components of the MaxRc kit include a rechargeable pump head, the cylinder, a charging cable, the band loading cone, 3 sizes tension rings, lubricant, easy seal size 2 and 3, and a handy carry case. Charge the pump head with the included charging cable for at least 2 hours before first-time use and after a prolonged period of non-use. The motor cannot be started while the charging cable is connected. To charge, plug in the charging cord into the back of the pump head charging port. Plug the USB end of the charging cord into any USB charging receptacle. The light on the pump will blink during the charge cycle. The pump is fully charged when the light stops blinking and stays lit while plugged in. Place the cylinder on a solid surface for leverage to load the tension ring. Start with the largest tension ring first. Next, place the loading cone into the smaller end of the cylinder. Apply a generous amount of Aquagel water-soluble lubricant around the cone towards the top. With your thumbs and index fingers, hold the band and begin to slide it over the top of the cone into the lubricant. Slide the band up and down on the cone several times through the lubricant to ensure it is spread well around the band. Slide the band down firmly past the cone onto the top end of the cylinder. Remove the loading cone and slide the band to approximately 1/4 inch from the opening of the cylinder. The tension ring should now be lubricated and around the top of the cylinder. Only use water-soluble lubricant on your device. Attach the round end of the pump head to the larger rounded end of the cylinder by pressing them firmly together. Make sure the cylinder is completely flush with the end of the pump. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the following areas. 1. Inside the open end of the cylinder for 2 inches deep. 2. On the rim of the cylinder that meets the body. 3. The entire head of the penis and into pubic hair. Proper application of lubricant will help you achieve the best erection possible. If you do not achieve a vacuum seal against the body, the system will not function properly. Trimming the pubic hair around the base of the penis is recommended to create an airtight seal. How to operate the Max pump head. To turn on the vacuum pump, press and hold down the power button until the light above the button illuminates. This usually takes approximately 3 seconds. The light indicates the power is on. To turn the power off to the pump head, press and hold down the power button again until the light turns off. When the light is off, this indicates the pump head power is turned off. To start the pump vacuum after the power is turned on, press the vacuum button below the power button. You will hear a click and the pump will begin applying vacuum. The pump has 4 levels of power. Pressing the vacuum button intermittently will increase the power up to the maximum level of vacuum. After reaching the maximum power, the pump will cycle back to the lowest power level and repeat. To stop the motor from pumping during use, press the power button and release immediately after hearing the click. To activate the vacuum again, press the power button again. The pump will continue to run until you press the power button to stop the vacuum motor. To relieve the vacuum pressure within the cylinder, press and hold the air button located at the top of the pump head. This will immediately release the vacuum from the cylinder while the pump is running or not running. Place your penis in the cylinder opening and press the cylinder firmly against the body. Be sure to guard against your testicles going into cylinder. Begin pumping slowly, ensuring you maintain a seal. Once an adequate erection is achieved, stop the pump and maintain the vacuum for approximately 30 seconds. Then, transfer the tension band with one hand by quickly sliding it off the cylinder onto the base of the penis, while holding the device with the opposite hand. Try to keep the cylinder pressed firmly against the body during the transfer to minimize pressure loss. Release the vacuum on the pump once the transfer is completed if necessary. Caution: never wear tension rings for over 30 minutes at a time. Remove the tension ring after sexual activity. Remember, do not wear rings longer than 30 minutes on your penis. Step 1. Apply lubricant in front of the ring and down the shaft of the penis. Step 2. Grab the loops with your fingers and stretch the band out away from the penis, allowing blood to flow out until the penis loses rigidity. Step 3. Slowly pull the ring forward and off the penis. Tension bands lose a small amount of elasticity each time they are used. They should be replaced once they stop holding an erection. Wait at least 1 hour before using the device again. Start with practice therapy sessions. We recommend that you practice creating erections before you use the device for intercourse. You will be much more satisfied with results by taking the time to complete the practice sessions. Practice sessions help you learn your individual comfort level, the amount of vacuum you need, and the most effective technique for getting a good seal and a firm erection. During your initial practice sessions, do not use a tension ring. You will only be practicing how to create an erection. Use the aqua gel to lubricate the smaller end of the cylinder for about 2 inches deep inside the cylinder. Attach the max pump head to the large opposite end of the cylinder. Press and hold the vacuum cylinder firmly against your body or place the head of the penis into the easy seal to create an airtight seal, and then begin the pumping process. Turn the pump on using the power level you are most comfortable with. Stop the vacuum pump short of discomfort or pain. Do not apply pressure to the point of experiencing discomfort or pain. Allow the vacuum to hold for at least 30 seconds after you stop pumping. After maintaining the vacuum for approximately 30 seconds, press and hold the air button to totally relieve all the pressure in the cylinder. Repeat this procedure at least 10 more times. If the vacuum pressure increases too quickly, you may try using lower pressure. Use only the amount of vacuum pressure you personally require to achieve a good erection. Fast therapy. Practice sessions with the Easy Seal. The Easy Seal is a latex-free pliable material that is used with vacuum erection devices to create a seal without or using very little personal lubricant. Users enjoy using the Easy Seal for practice sessions because it reduces cleanup time from using lubricant. It can also be used as a scrotal guard when using a vacuum erection device. To apply the Easy Seal to the cylinder, pull the rolled end of the Easy Seal over the end of the cylinder opposite side of the pump head. Ensure the hole in the top of the Easy Seal is reasonably centered at the end of the cylinder opening. The Easy Seal entry hole should be smaller than the girth of the penis. The head of the penis is placed into the hole as you apply vacuum. While applying vacuum, the penis will pull through the flexible seal. As the penis becomes erect, move the cylinder firmly against the body. The hole maintains the seal around the penis as you increase vacuum to achieve an erection. Stop the vacuum pump short of discomfort or pain. Do not apply pressure to the point of experiencing discomfort or pain. Allow the vacuum to hold for at least 30 seconds after you stop pumping. After maintaining the vacuum for approximately 30 seconds, press and hold the air button to totally relieve all the pressure in the cylinder. Repeat this procedure at least 10 more times. Refer to the user guide included with your kit for more detailed instructions and information.